to everybody. Now I'm going to speak about the music. For start my presentation, I go to say what's the meaning of music. Music is the set of size of sound combined according to this art, which generally produce an expressive effect and are pleasant to hear. Music serves to express, listen, be silent, change, be different, be the same unit, strange, harmonize, etc. Um, Different studies over time have shown that listening to music has different benefits for our health. They are able to change our mood if we are sad, to reduce stress and make us feel better. Music surrounds us, that accompanies us everywhere on our mobile device, on television, in the cinema, and of course in the concert of our favorite artist or group. Music also have positive effect on us in children, for example, on the early. For the later, something apparently is as minimal as listening to music can relieve pain or can be used to exercise the hair to avoid hearing loss. Also, music improves memory because uh, when we hear music, we put attention and concentration skills. For children, for example, it is something that could be extrapolated and elderly, because elderly lose hair, so the music can help to be in good health of hair. Since we learned to letters for beginning to end, it also managed to stimulate the intelligence, because when we hear music, our brain is works every time of the smallest of the house and improve the ability to solve problems. Music is a perfect way to express yourself, and at the time a perfect method of learning, because when we can learn other language, for example English, if you heard a lot of time music in English, you can have a good pronunciation, the language. So since they when improve your vocabulary thanks to the lyrics of the songs, that can be, you can repeat the lyric, and you can learn the lyrics, and your vocabulary can be more. It even awakes in them the desire to know the meaning of terms they didn't know. For example, my daughter's pediatricians advised me to put music onto development skills such as speech and develop her visual capacity, because when her listen music, and she look pictures, the she is learns about the music. you know Music can also help us when we exercise, because it motivates and us feel as energy. For example, in every gym you can find that the person exercising with music, because it's very good for the person. So finally, the music is help for everything in everything around the world. Thanks.